How's it going, everybody? You started following along because you were interested in the new aquaponics system that we're working on. I know it's been a while, but it's starting to come together. Still got a long ways to go, but making some progress finally. Been plugging along out here. I know I haven't been posting a lot of content. I have been shooting the whole build, and at some point here I'm going to start chopping that up, and I'll be putting out some shorts or TikToks or some full-length videos on it also, just to give you an idea of what we're looking at. I'm going to have 2 tilapia tanks here. One will be a breeder tank and one will be the feeder tank. We got 2 filters here. One will be a solid waste filter and the other one will be a biomedia filter, and everything will drain back into the bilge tank down here. That'll get a deck over top. You can see the water's a little bit green because algae loves the sun, so it's been getting plenty of that. And plan to have some vertical grow towers over top of that to drain into it, and then all along the back wall here in the greenhouse and along the top rail here, we're gonna have all sorts of hanging grow beds and vertical towers, and got a lot of cool stuff coming up. So hope you stick around and do me a favor and like and share, because we got a lot of stuff to show you going forward. Take care.